Windows down, map tossed aside, chasing the sun with the radio high. No destination, just the open road. Feet on the dash, let the good times roll. We don't need a plan, just a full tank. Laugh until we cry, taking every chance. The highway's calling, can't ignore the sound. One more mile, never slowing down. We don't need a plan, just a full tank. Laugh until we cry, taking every chance. The highway's calling, can't ignore the sound. One more mile, never slowing down. Sing it loud, sing it free. Turn it up.
Hello guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 1. So wala tayo trabaho. So mag quick ride sa Tagay Spa o Rospia Cove Resort. So sabayon ta nato si Dan nga mag padagat sabay ihang uyab. Pero I guess na pulaw siya gabi. So dali siya available. Time check, it's 9:13 in the morning. So 9 na mo ang sabot. And then wala na siya nag-reply. Basin natulugan na to. So kita lang sa aron with or wala ikauban, madayon lang ato ang mga plano. Wala nakadepende sila ang ato ang success rate sa ato itong laag. Tara, bakbakon sa nato ni kadali kay para dito mabtagbun hayag kayo. Ano naman sa tumabdan dito sa Rospia Cove. Before ta mag-proceed guys, palit sa taga to ang pwede baonan diri sa Mercury para natay baon. Naisulatan siyan. Kanya na itong baon guys. Nindot ang panahon, walay adlaw. So dili ta sunog. Perfect. Muna perfect na mga laag. Kanang wala gi plano, diretso execution. Kay mo ni mas madayon compare to mga plano nga nalang pero sa GC. Nindot yung dalan dali sa Label guys. Solid. Diri guys no, kay under construction ang ilang dalan, so salitan ang paghatag og dalan. So una dito tapos sunod sa padre. So mas priority ni kami ambulance. So that is how it works. Okay, it's our time na. So RM Bukohalo guys, try po din nyo dira. Lami lang Bukohalo dira. Dira lang na sa malapatan. Oh, so shout out sa ang tropa dira nga si Ella. College friend na to. So 22 minutes na lang guys. Unahan sa Kapatan gali. Rospia Cove Resort. Tara, balik na sa biyahe. Sir, good morning. Pwede na walk in, sir? Ako Raisa. Sige sir, salamat. So magbayad lang tag entrance guys. Oh, parang nindot wigil ang place. Dali bayad lang tag direct entrance guys. So mga guys, 50 lang ang entrance. So ma-enjoy na nimo ang place. Tara, may tatag spot na to. So ano nilang resort guys. Balikan na nato ito na itong ibang gamit. Look, nice. Spot. Taong view guys.
Golden rays are shining down, footprints fading in the sand. Seagulls call, the waves are dancing. Feel the rhythm, take my hand. Let's chase the tide, feel alive. Salted air, love in our eyes. No more worries, let them drift. Just the ocean, just like this. Sing me a song, let the breeze take it high. Under the stars where the palm trees sigh. Barefoot dreams in the moonlight shade. This is our sunset serenade. Bonfire burning, hearts unchained. Guitars strumming in the rain. Laughing loud, the night is young. Dancing till the rising sun. Let's chase the time, feel alive. Salted air, love in our eyes. No more worries, let them drift. Just the ocean, just like this. Sing me a song, let the breeze take it high. Under the stars where the palm trees sigh. Barefoot dreams in the moonlight shade. This is our sunset serenade. Waves crash like a melody. The ocean hums in harmony. Stay with me, don't let this fade. We'll always have our serenade. Soft whispers in the midnight tide. One last kiss, one last ride. Sing me a song, don't be afraid. This is our sunset serenade.
Kung nato ang adventure diri sa Espia Cove Resort. So kung nakaabot ka nga part sa akong video, please don't forget to leave a comment kung sa imong experience sa Espia Cove Resort. Until susunod na itong alaag. Bye bye.